Hey guys, this is Brian here with OG Woodwork. So today we're going to do a little touch on some safety here. I'm a pretty big stickler when it comes to safety glasses. That's one thing I've always got to have with me. If I'm cutting something and I don't have my safety glasses on, I'm just not even comfortable. Some of you may know and some of you may not know, but I also participate in another YouTube channel called the Tennessee Picker Show. We were fortunate enough to have Leupold send us a pair of glasses to do some test runs on. I'm not a big sunglass wearing kind of guy. I like my standard old yellow safety glasses. These were made by Steel. They're a great pair of glasses. Pretty comfortable. I like them for the most part. But Leupold sent us a pair of Cheyenne glasses there. And first off, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, well, the lenses are darker than I would like for them to be. But after putting them on and working with them inside the shop here, it's really not that bad. You know, pretty good low light situation there. They you can still see through them pretty clearly. And then I've had them out in the field, you know, do a lot of outdoor stuff. So I'm hunting, fishing a lot, and you know, they work great out there. That's one of the things it was sent to us for, was the Tennessee Pickers Show channel, where we review and test firearms and things like that. And so I threw them over in the workshop just to see how they'll hold up. And like I said, I have no complaints about them so far. They are polarized, which will work great for the fishing aspect. I guess the polarization is actually inside the lens, so you don't have to worry about them getting scratched. That's another plus there. And if you're like me and you lose glasses a lot, that's the part that I'm like, you know, that's something I don't really know about because I'm pretty rough on equipment. But these right here, they're pretty sturdy. They'll stand up to them. Everything's made here in the USA and designed, machined, assembled in USA. And of course, they throw you a carrying case with it as well. And also has, you know, cleaning cloth with it. But that's one of the things I kind of want to throw that out there. Any of the guys in the wood shop area or construction field, you know, if you're looking for a good pair of glasses to kind of keep your eyeballs safe there, I would definitely look into them.